That's all from me, Mike. Any questions from you at all?
Nope. Oh, how much holiday time do I get? Alright, so once you get into the interview, let's talk about the questions you're almost certainly going to face. The first one, of course, is going to be, tell me about yourself. They want to know about you and your career growth. And then when I was 5 years old, I started kindergarten.
So I run one of the biggest men's fashion channels on Bilibili.
The second question, what are your strengths? Now, you could answer things like, I'm hardworking, I'm a team player, I'm ambitious, and I'm always on time.
Don't repeat fluffy, meaningless words. Tell stories about yourself. Well, it's a funny story actually, because I always thought I was a very good salesman. But in my last job, I started the job as a salesman, but I finished the job as the head of PR.
People relate by stories, so always have a story ready to tell the interviewer. Conversely, the third question, 你有什么弱点? Weaknesses. No weaknesses. Now in China, I've heard maybe you shouldn't talk about this. I could be wrong. But in an English interview, many people want to know.
Well, to be honest, I probably lack experience in this industry. However, I'm incredibly hungry to learn more. So you need to show self-awareness to show that you have weaknesses, but you're working on improving them.
The fourth thing they might ask you, why did you leave your last job? I got fired. I'm looking for a job where I can show my talents.
你有点没有意思，这句话。
为什么？
Tell the truth, just tell the truth, because
yes.
Your objective is to make them like you. People like people who tell the truth. Well, in my last job, I really achieved as much as I could in that position.
Other questions they're gonna ask, tell me about 什么什么什么. Tell me about a time you successfully completed a project. Tell me about a time when you disagreed with your boss. Focus on achievements and use action verbs to say what you've done.
Yes, achievements, like gaining 260,000 followers across platforms on social media to date.
Well done.
好给力.
Shameless. Gaily, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? I hate this question.
Yeah, 英国总理. 你笑什么?
Be confident and ambitious, but not overly confident.
I'm in the industry and I'm in a higher position. I'm a manager, an executive, or whatever in the same industry. So your focus is all that industry.
What kind of salary do you expect?
With what I can bring to the company in sales, in whatever marketing, in creative input, the value I can bring, I think I am worth X amount.
And lastly, the interviewer is going to ask you if you have any questions for the company. So here's the one must-ask question to get the interviewer psychologically thinking of putting you into that job. How much vacation time do I get?
Yeah, just a quick one. A year from now, what would I have to do in that year to make you look back on today and to make you think that hiring me was an awesome, amazing decision? 然后你说这句话的时候 interviewer 会自己想
I can see him working well in this job.
I am using his brain to be on my side.
You're in my head. So I hope these tips can help you guys land a dream job. Anyway, thank you Hao Gaili for making this video with me and sharing your expertise.
My pleasure.
我是麦克老师，
我是郝给力，
下次再见，
拜拜。